Citizens, for the past 24 hours now, there has been this news flying up. Ousmane Dembele's agent, Musa Sissoko, meeting up with Manchester City sporting director, Ogo Vianney. And a lot of speculations has been flying around, a lot of assumptions, and a lot of talks. But it has now been confirmed that the meeting between the agents, Musa Sissoko and Manchester City's Ugo Vianney was not about a potential deal for Ousmane Dembele. No talks or contact at this stage with Manchester City. So for now, Manchester City and Ousmane Dembele, no talks and no contact. The meeting was not for that. We don't know what the meeting was for, but maybe later we'll find out. But for now, no talks or no contact with Ousmane Dembele. Manchester City, Ousmane Dembele, for now, no. We don't know, maybe later in the future, but for now, no talk and no contact.